Hey, everybody, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone, coming at you today with your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip: take clues from the last purchase. Mr. Customer, I'm curious. If your new product could do one thing that your current one does not, what would that be? That right there, that is a strong example of a fact-finding question using the customer's last purchase to gather information. For free access to some of the best fact-finding questions in the galaxy, head on over to cardonesolutions.com/Cardone U free. That's cardonesolutions.com/Cardone, the letter U, the word free. This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Remember, take your clues from the last purchase and use those clues as a method to guide the sales process along into the presentation, the selection, the demonstration, and the close. Remember to get your free access to Cardone University at cardonesolutions.com/Cardone, the letter U, the word free. And be great, because nothing else pays.